Hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video I will be showing you how to find or get your post ID, how to change it, and more options I will show you in this tutorial. So first of all, make sure that you go into your dashboard by going to wordpress.com/wp-admin. After you do that, this page will be opened for you just like this one, and from there you can click on user and put your username and here your password. So as you can see, here is the dashboard. It is something like that, and from here I will go to pages or posts. So from here I will click on a new, and here I will create my post. So it will be something like tutorial 4, and I will copy this or just put here some text, tutorial 4, and let's click on publish. So the ID of this post, it will be something like that. You will go down and you will find it in the permalink. It says something like www.your website domain.com/the date of your post / the ID of your post. So my date of the base of publishment of this post is 2022/12/25, and the tutorial is tutorial 4 is the ID. You can change the ID by clicking on edit, and from there you can change it to whatever you want. Let's click on OK, and from here click on update. You have to click on update, guys. Once more I tell you that you have to click on update. If not, you will not be able to change the ID of your page. So click now on this link, and now as you can see, the link has been changed. So here is the page, here is the post that you have created, here is the link or the date which will be in the URL, and the ID has been changed also in the URL, guys. So yeah guys, that was it with how you can actually find the post with your ID or change it. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.